Hello, my name is Dr. Marc Grossman. For the past 38 years, I've devoted myself to a holistic, integrative approach to helping people with different visual conditions through nutrition, lifestyle changes, and eye exercises. Dry eyes, probably the most common thing that people come to the eye doctor for. Over 35 million people complain of dry eyes. But where do dry eyes come from? Dry eyes are either from the quality of the tear film, not enough quantity of the tears evaporate too quickly, hormonal issues, environmental issues, such as if you have a wood stove. And what do we do as eye doctors? We basically do artificial tears and possibly some medications such as Restasis. But there's many different ways we can help dry eyes naturally because we want to get to the underlying cause of the dry eyes. So what do? We have an eye mask to give moist heat to the eyes called a Bruder eye mask. Homeopathic eye drops. Mackey berries, a berry that has shown to increase the quantity of the tears. Omega-3 fatty acids, very good for the quality of the tears. So there's many things we can do for dry eyes, including helping with the lids, because we have a condition called meibomian gland dysfunction, which creates a blockages of the little pores in your lower eyelids and upper eyelids. So my hope for you is that you would try to treat this condition naturally before going to medication. In 38 years of practice, I've had very good success with working with dry eyes. So please visit these websites to educate yourself further to be able to protect your precious gift of sight.